It is truly powerful for this community because it represents the first economic development funding to be brought into the Scarboro community since the Manhattan Project.
This month, we are shining a light on Oak Ridge's Scarboro community. The Department of Energy awarded a $1.9 million grant to renovate and expand the historic Atomic Elks Lodge. We found out why this funding could jumpstart reinvestment and bring new energy to this historically black neighborhood. A Manhattan Project-era building still stands tall as a cornerstone of the historic Scarboro community, the Atomic Elks Lodge. Nearly 75 years after receiving its charter, the lodge is getting a new lease on life, thanks to a $1.9 million grant from the Department of Energy. The grant is part of a broader effort to boost reinvestment in underserved communities near cleanup sites.
Feel good about it because that's something we've been trying to do for the longest, and we limit on what we can do.
The grant will help restore the lodge to its original role as a hub for community engagement, with a focus on education, economic development, and healthcare.
I grew up in this community, and I remember when this was a hustling, bustling community with so many opportunities, and to see that we have an opportunity to have this grant, I feel richly fulfilled.
There are already plans in motion to add youth programs, job training, and even a medical clinic. For Rose Weaver, known as Scarborough's historian, this investment is about much more than a building. It's about giving the community a path to its full potential.
We have so many young people who are distraught because they don't know what they want to do. Wouldn't it be amazing for you to walk down the street to go to a training program and say within 6 or 8 months you would have the job that you thought you would never be able to have?
Oak Ridge City Council member Derek Hammond believes the grant has a bigger purpose too, inspiring further revitalization efforts.
When people begin to see those kinds of investments, they start to ask why. And when they ask why, then that gives the opportunity for us to tell our story. And so we continue and expect this investment, as the previous ones, to continue enabling us to tell our story, which is worthy of investment.
So what's next? The Oak Ridge Housing Authority, which helped secure the grant, is now working with the lodge to hire an architect and turn this vision into a reality.